Adapy is the first product to bring smart technology to the assisted mobility space. Our story began long before I ever met Drew back in 2013.
I'm Drew Evans. I was in the Air Force for 11 years and was injured one day while in Alaska, and I fell off a cliff. I ended up breaking two vertebrae in my back and had a spinal cord injury. I was put in a wheelchair, and so here I am today. Got all of the medical devices for my truck so that way I could drive around and be independent. But the problem was I had like multiple remotes and multiple things going on at the same time, and so to help consolidate that, I wanted it all on my phone. So that way I could, it was all in one device and it was all ready to go. So thankfully, I got in touch with Aaron and we were able to put together this idea, this circuit board, and then move forward with it. So that way it can all of my medical devices can be tied together and they can all be controlled from my phone.
Hi guys, my name is Marty O'Connor. I'm the host of the Wheel Talks official podcast and also a C3, C4 central spinal cord injury. The concept behind this thing is awesome. It was introduced to me as a solution to a problem with people needing to get in the car, having multiple remotes and buttons that are hard to push, centralizing all of it and making it mobile friendly.